Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you the facial exercises which are going to be super easy for all of you. You can do them every day and getting firmer skin, blood circulation getting improved, and definitely getting a lifted look. That's what we are going for today. And I know you must be waiting for the hair color video, but right now I don't have any grow outs, so I was thinking what will I show and what will I color for you. The first thing that I would highly recommend is doing the scalp massages. So you don't have to do a lot of it. I'm going to tell you only one which will help in lifting up your face. And I told you last time also, because what happens is everything is connected here. So you must have seen the small children. If you look at their, if you press their scalp here, you will feel there is a lot of fat. And as we start aging, we start losing the scalp. What should I say? Yeah, scalp fat. So when we lose that, our skin starts sagging. So what you're gonna do is, I'm gonna remove my rubber band, and we're gonna take our hair like this. Put your fingers across like this and pull a little bit, like that. Put in the fingers like that, and literally you have to grab your hair a little bit by force. I did even pull out one hair. Don't apply a lot of pressure, be a little gentle, but definitely you should feel a little bit of pull. So that is first thing that you're gonna do. So try doing this all over your scalp, especially around this area, and you can be doing it for around 30 seconds. Gonna tie my hair back again. And after that is the tapping thing that I always tell you, that because before workout also you do the this thing warming up, right? The same thing we're gonna do. So we're gonna warm up our face with that. So tap it all around 30 seconds. So after you are done with this one, another thing that I would recommend you doing every day would be your acupressure on face. I've told this many times and I'm going to repeat this again because I know there are many new people watching the videos. So all you have to do is start from the bottom here. This part you have to do in circular motions for 30 seconds. This is the first point that you're going to massage. 30 seconds. Then moving on to the sides of your mouth, here circular motion for 30 seconds again. Then after that the center of your philtrum, here, because otherwise this also starts drooping, and this also ages you so quickly, so you can be massaging this point here. After that the sides of your nose here. Then the center of your cheeks for 30 seconds. To that the sides of the temple, the center of your eye, like this point here, which is called the third eye point, very important. Then definitely the sides here. Then after that is the next exercise that you're gonna do on an everyday basis. You can do this one. So what you have to do is, you're gonna take one hand, hold the other part of your face like this. You're gonna pull it across like this, as I'm doing here, and then you're gonna take two fingers like this, and you will be doing the this thing like this motion. You're going to improve the blood circulation. And I think you must have seen this trick by many of the, I saw this one with one of the big, I think she's a celebrity facialist or so. Saw her video, I'm like, wow, let me try that. I love doing it around my eye area also. I'm having a lot of trouble around my eye area these days. So this area I'm gonna do like this, and make sure that you do this part also. This you can do like this. Don't forget the eye area here. Similarly, you're gonna do, can you see the difference? Can you see how lifted this one looks as compared to this? Now I'm gonna do this side also. Don't apply a lot of pressure, but do apply a little bit of firm pressure to apply this kind of effect onto the face. So if you have a dominant hand, that also you can do. What I do is, because left hand is my dominant hand, I feel more comfortable, so I'll hold my face like this with my right hand, and I'll do it with the help of my left hand also, like this. Wow. And my blood circulation improved, like as if I have done a lot of cardio. Like do 30 seconds here, 30 seconds here, don't do a lot, like don't go overboard. Then eventually 1 minute each, and that's enough, because already within 30 seconds itself you will feel a lot of improvement in the blood circulation. And I just love this exercise, so do try this one. And do comment below any other facial exercise that you want me to share with you. Do you want me to share with you droopy eyelid exercises? Please let me know. I'll be more than happy to share that with you. And do take care, do like the video, subscribe to my channel. Take care, bye.